Hello everyone! Welcome again to my unofficial guide on how to set up your KiloView product with KiloLink Server Pro. So for this video, we're going to talk about on how to add your devices. And to be specific, I'm going to add this P3 Mini to our KiloLink Server Pro. Okay, to start, boot up your KiloView product or the P3 Mini, and then after that, go to device management and then enable maintenance mode. Then after that, you can add your device by clicking here, add device, then just put a name. For me, I'll put P3 Mini. So to locate your serial number, you can do this by the serial on the back part, just in case it's missing or the sticker faded. Pwede rin naman dito sa settings and then system. Then after that, sa pinakababa, malolocate mo yung serial number. Okay, so type in ko lang. So for me, 20. So after typing that, pwede ka mag-generate or for me, para mas madali, tinatype ko na lang siya. So pwede rin naman yon 1010. Then okay. Then after that, nalagay na natin. Off lang natin yung maintenance mode. Punta naman tayo sa ating KiloView. So sa banding, open lang natin yung banding. Then after that, config. Then type lang natin dito sa KiloLink. So type lang natin yung address natin, which is kung ano yung public IP mo. Okay, so after that, okay mo lang, then back. So yan, napalitan na. So then sa code, type mo lang yung generate mo na code. Confirm. Then after that, click natin yung apply. Then makikita mo dito, yung state niya or status niya magiging online. And then, punta tayo sa kanyang status. For demonstration purpose, for this para maliit lang setup, no? I have here DJI Action 5. Try natin siyang i-connect dito. So to do that, so enable mo lang siya to USB, then click apply lang ulit. Then after that, pwede ko na i-connect yung USB ni DJI Action 5. So connect ko lang siya dyan. So makikita nyo sa Action 5 as webcam na natin siya. Next natin, makikita na rin natin yan dito sa ating web UI or ating KiloLink Server Pro. Punta tayo dito sa kanyang portal. So right now, malagyan dito kasi nagsisave lang siya ng bandwidth. So nakaano lang yan, preview mode. Okay, so ayan, pag naka-video mode siya. So syempre, pag nakaganyan, mataas yung signal na kinakain yan. So preview mo lang siya dapat. Alright, so that's how you add your devices to your KiloLink Server Pro. Up next for our series is on how to receive that specific feed to your vMix or OBS software via SRT. And once again, this is Eman Evangelista. Hope it helps.